It's important to approach relationships, dating, and attraction with respect, honesty, and empathy. Trying to manipulate or pressure someone into having feelings for you or engaging in physical contact is not appropriate and can harm both parties involved. Healthy relationships, whether romantic or platonic, are based on mutual consent, trust, and respect. The best way to build a meaningful connection with someone is to be yourself. Treat them with kindness and listen to their feelings and boundaries. Instead of focusing on trying to make someone crush on you, focus on forming a genuine bond and letting things evolve naturally. Here are some key principles to consider when building attraction and meaningful connections. Number 1, confidence, not arrogance. Confidence is an attractive quality, but it's important to distinguish it from arrogance. Confidence means being comfortable with who you are and being authentic, while arrogance comes off as self-centered and dismissive of others. Being confident in yourself, your abilities, and your appearance can draw people toward you, but it's important not to overdo it or make others feel inferior. Number 2, be respectful. Respect is the foundation of any healthy relationship. Always treat others with kindness and never push someone into doing something they don't want to do. Respect their boundaries, whether physical, emotional, or mental, and always ask for consent before any kind of physical interaction. Number 3, good communication skills. Being able to communicate effectively with others is essential. Show genuine interest in her thoughts, feelings, and experiences. Listening actively is just as important as speaking. People appreciate when someone listens attentively without interrupting or making everything about themselves. Good communication helps create trust, which is vital in any relationship. Being vulnerable and expressing your feelings honestly can help foster deeper connections. But again, make sure you're respectful of their feelings and boundaries. Number 4, show interest, but don't be overbearing. It's important to show interest in the girl, but be careful not to overwhelm her. Asking thoughtful questions, showing genuine curiosity about her hobbies, and engaging in meaningful conversations will allow her to see your genuine interest. However, don't push too hard if she's not reciprocating. People are attracted to those who make them feel seen and appreciated, but they are also drawn to those who respect their personal space and autonomy. Number 5, be supportive and caring. People are drawn to individuals who are compassionate and understanding. Offer support in times of need and show that you care about her well-being. Whether it's offering a helping hand with a task or providing emotional support, kindness goes a long way in building trust and admiration. Number 6, maintain your own life and interests. While it's important to invest time and energy into a relationship, it's also important to maintain your own passions, hobbies, and friendships. People are often attracted to those who have a strong sense of self and their own lives outside of the relationship. Having your own identity can also help prevent you from becoming overly dependent on someone for validation or attention.